need to start with the inside cuts on this per the instructions. I made the pilot holes with a 1/16 inch drill bit. The number 3 blade fits through that with no problem whatsoever. Let me take this back to, I'm going to go back to 2 degrees. Try this one more time. Yeah, that's actually a little better. Yeah, I'm going to go with 2 degrees on that. Alright, I put the pilot hole right. Well, that's not going to work. Just checking the blade. Realized I had it in backwards. It would not cut very well that way. That's better. Alright, I put the pilot hole right at the tail there. The tail splits or meets the body of the fish. Whatever, I don't know. It's in a good place. Probably the least noticeable place. Now let's give this a try. I think you're going to want to be very carefully following the line on this one. There's no do-over. There's no waste area, really. But it's not a really complex pattern either. It's one long cut. There we go. Alright, the moment of truth, the big test. It'll obviously fall out the bottom, but as far as the front, you can see there's a, it comes out maybe, let me measure. Comes out somewhere in the neighborhood of 1/8 to 3/16 of an inch. So that worked, and I'll go ahead and make the other one. I use scroll saw tape to attach the pattern to the wood. It just peels right off. There's a lot of methods to use to attach patterns to wood. I have a complete video on that. I'll reference it in the directions. Yeah, that's very good. Steve says just put a drop of glue on it, and that's all you need to do. That's what I'm going to do. I'll put a drop or two of glue on it, push it through, let it sit for a while the glue dries, and then I'll put a finish on it.